Good day. My name is Midjupan Tumamak Jobert P. And now, as part of our assessment laboratory from 2nd mate Reynaldo Tan, let's talk about SMCP or Standard Marine Communication Phrases. SMCP. SMCP stand for Standard Marine Communication Phrases. Is a set of key phrases in English language, which is the international recognized language of the sea, supported by the international community for use at sea and developed by the International Maritime Organization, or IMO. External communication phrases: ship-to-ship and ship-to-shore communication, on-board communication phrases, communication within the ship. The SMCP adopted by the 22 Assembly of the IMO in November 2001 in a resolution which also promoted the widecast circulation of the SMCP to all prospective users and all maritime education authorities. The SMCP includes phrases which have been developed to cover the most important safety-related fields of verbal shore to ship and vice versa, ship to ship and onboard communication. The aim is to reduce the problem of language barrier at the sea and to avoid misunderstanding which can cause accident. When we use an spelling in SMCP, we need to use phonetic alphabets. A. Alpha. B. Bravo. C. Charlie. D. Delta. E. Echo. F. Foxtrot. G. Golf. H. Hotel. I. India. J. Juliet. K. Kilo. L. Lima. M. Mike. N. November. O. Oscar. P. Papa. Q. Quebec or Quebec. R. Romeo. S. Sierra. T. Tango. U. Uniform. V. Victor. W. Whiskey. X. X-ray. Y. Yankee. And Z. Zulu. 0. 0. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. Niner. And 1,000. 1,000. So, after that pronunciation of numbers, so numbers are to be spoken by separately. For example, 280 in SMCP 280. So, in decimal, for example, 3.1 in SMCP 3.1 or 3.1. Message marker. In order to specially facilitate shore-to-ship and shore-to-shore communication, or when one of the IMO standard marine communication phrases will not fit the meaning desired, one of the following 8 message markers may be used to increase the probability of the purpose of the message being properly understood. And here is the 8 message marker. Instruction, advice, warning, information, question, answer, request, and last, the intention. Instruction. This indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to influence other by regulation. This means that the sender, vessel traffic service station, or naval vessel must have the full authority to send such a message, that the recipient has to follow this legally binding message unless she or he has contradictory safety reason, which then have to report it to the sender. Instruction. Instruction. Do not cross to fairway. Advice. This indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to influence other by a recommendation. The decision whether to follow the advice still stays with the recipient. Advice does not necessarily have to be followed, but should be considered very carefully. Advice. Advice. Advise you to stand by on BHP channel 69. Information. This indicates that the following message is restricted to observe facts, situation, etc. This marker is preferably used for navigational and traffic information, etc. Consequence of information will be up to the recipients. Information. Information. Western Carmel, I will overtake to your west side. Question. This indicates that the following message is of interrogative character. The use of this marker removes any doubt on whether a question is being asked or a statement being made, especially when interrogatives such as what, where, why, who, how are additional use at the beginning of the question. 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 What is your maximum drop? Answer. This indicates that the following message is the reply to a previous question. Answer. Answer. My present drop is 07 meter. Request. This indicates that the following message is asking for action from others with respect to the vessel. Request. Request. I request 2,000. Intention. This indicates that the following message informs others about immediate navigational action intended to be taken. Intention. Intention, I will reduce my speed.